In this lesson, we will learn how to play audio with our Rive animations. Here, I have some interactions and I want to play a audio, that is a sound effect, whenever I click on these elements to add some extra life. To do that, we can go ahead and first of all add a event and then set its type as audio. Now we can go ahead and choose the audio to play whenever this event is reported or triggered. Now you can go ahead and browse the stock library provided by Soundly. That is, I can go ahead and search for press sounds. To preview them, you can go ahead and click on the play icon. And to use this, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon to add it to your Rive file. Let's go ahead and add another one, this one. And now if you want to use some custom sounds from your local machine, you can do that as well by simply dragging and dropping them to the Rive editor. Now you can only do that if you are on a paid plan, or you can use the stock sounds as well. So now that we have the audios imported inside our Rive file, let's use the same. So set the asset as this audio file. Again, you can preview the same by clicking on the play icon here. You can see we have a waveform meter as well. Now to play this sound effect, whenever we click on this rectangle, we can go ahead and report the event whenever there is a rectangle click. That is the listener of pointer down on the rectangle. We can add a action, that is report the event. Select the event and now our sound effect is set with our interaction. So let's go ahead and play the state machine. Click on the rectangle and you can see the sound effect is played. Now you can play audio within the animation timelines as well. Simply go ahead and add an event, set its type as audio, select the audio, and then inside of the timeline, you can simply report this event or play the audio like this. You can choose from where to play it. And then if we go ahead and play the animation, you can see the sound is played. Now let's say we want to use this sound effect whenever this ellipse is clicked. And I'll go ahead and rename the event as well because we have multiple. So ellipse click. And then this is the rectangle click. Now I can simply use the listener for the pointer down on the ellipse, add an action, and report the ellipse click. Now for this sound event, we have multiple click sounds within the same. And let's say we only want one click. For that, we can create a clip out of that audio. To do that, we can go to the assets and select our audio in question. You can see the waveform and it has 5 clicks. To use a portion of the audio instead of the whole thing, we can go ahead and hover over the waveform and then click and drag to select the portion we want to use. That is only this click right here. And I can preview the same by clicking on the play icon. And you can see this is what we want. I can go ahead and click on the plus icon to create a clip. And you can see the same is added. I can go ahead and simply call it bell. And now use the same inside of our event like this. Now let's go ahead and preview the interaction. And you can see only the selected clip is played. Now let's go ahead and use our imported asset as well. So again, add an event, set its type as audio, select the audio file from the assets, and then use it inside of your interactions. And as you know, events can be reported anywhere within the state machine, the listeners, the state transitions, and the states itself as well. So let's go ahead and report the event. That is this one right here. And I can go ahead and preview the same. So that's how you can add or play audio with Rive animations.